Beautiful day. I just don't feel like doing anything. I'm just going to be lazy. Yeah, I think I'm just going to be lazy today. All right, nice cool drink, and let's see what Brampton Gardener is up to.
I got the beans moved, I got the zucchini moved, so hopefully everything will do much better in its new location. So, the challenge. Now it's my turn. So I am challenging 4 lovely YouTube channels that I follow. The next up is Monica from Monica Katie's Garden. And the
Whoa.
last but not least is Nicole Smith from Nicole Smith's Garden. So, challenge is on, ladies. Ready? Make sure you
Challenge is
click on the
on.
hashtag down below.
So I've been putting off on starting seeds, and the first one is this cucumber plant. It's just done terrible this whole time. It suddenly is, though, putting on some growth here. So it's got 2 cucumbers. I don't know if they'll actually become a good cucumber, but the plant looks just too sad. So I really need to start a new one of that. I've been meaning to do that forever. And then I have some zucchini plants. They're looking still good, but they do have vine borers. So I could end up losing it. And I have some more over here. All of them have vine borers in them. So I've been trying to treat it, but I should have backups just in case. And I'm going to start them today. Wow, look at the poppies. These look great. This is the California poppy, and all of a sudden it put on all this growth. It looks beautiful. But my sunflowers are not looking great. They bloomed, which is wonderful, and I see a couple more buds. But I think I'm going to start a few sunflower seeds as well. The seeds I'm going to start is this red sunflower, which days to maturity is 60 to 65, cutting a little close. It'll flower 2 weeks before my frost, my hard frost, so I think we should be okay to get a few flowers. And then some cilantro, which is 50 to 55 days, and this usually holds up to cool weather really well. Some yellow summer squash, which is only 54 days to maturity, so I should be able to harvest for a few weeks. And then the green zucchini, which is also 50 days to harvest. So very short varieties that I can do now and still get some production. I decided not to do the cucumbers because it's 60 days to harvest, and I'm not looking forward to really cucumbers in the fall. So I'm just going to try again next year instead. So there we go. All my seeds are ready to go. And now I can have maybe some flowers and some crops, a few things for the fall. So I've also been meaning to put out my hummingbird feeder. I saw one about a week and a half ago out in my yard, and I didn't have anything for it. So it was there for a second and it left. So got to get one out. So I'm going to boil up 4 cups of water. So now once your water is boiling, you want to add a cup of sugar. So for every cup of sugar, it's 4 cups of water, or 1/4 cup of sugar for every 1 cup of water. And now I'm just going to dissolve all the sugar. My sugar is now fully dissolved, and now I can let it sit and cool down before I add it to my hummingbird feeder. So while the nectar is cooling down, let's put out the shepherd hook. Let's see. I think This might be a good spot for it. I think that should be a nice spot for my hummingbird feeder, and I should be able to see them from my deck. Yeah, that should be good. Okay, the rest of it I'm going to store in the fridge. There we go. Perfect. I'm glad to have been able to accomplish these items on my list that have been sitting there for some time. So thanks, Brampton Gardener, for the encouragement and helping me take care of business. So now it's time to pass the baton, or in this case, the trowel. So the first is the enthusiastic gardener. The next is Granny's Garden. The next is Flora in Hardy. And the last is Get Gardening. Challenge is on if you're up for it. So here you go. So don't forget to check out all the other channels who are doing the TCB challenge by clicking on the hashtag TCB below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.